We are gonna make this little thing. Bark and some packing material. Today we're gonna be using paper mache. This packing material stuck on there. Masking tape. Just piecing it together to get some three-dimensionality. This will be the face. Lost my tape. There it is. Okay, he's got tiny little feet. Do some. Now, I understand this looks terrible, and it doesn't look like I'm getting anywhere. But, once I'm done, you'll be amazed. The stuff you can do with household garbage. Arms. My cat's right on the floor. If she was half as cute as this guy, I'd probably make her. Watch out, cat. What's a Pikachu without the iconic tail? I got this piece of foam from God knows where. Goes up, shoots off in that direction. So we want to make an angle here to make it jet out. Then, oh, I gotta move you over again. That way you stay with me and you don't get bored. Okay, something like that. Let's get a rear end shot. It's only gonna hurt for a second. Yep. A second skewer. I need more hands. Right. Then you can throw some tape on there. Package up the wound. Looks like a rabbit. We're gonna flush out the face, make it a little rounded, but then we're gonna use newspaper to really round it off. I do this all the time where I recycle what I have laying around. Saves you money on materials, helps the environment, turns some of this garbage we make into something actually you can keep for years to come. We got the main shape done. I think I gotta push you back so you can see better. There's Pikachu. We just have to add more tape, and then we can start the paper mache. We might do that part live. You add the paper mache right to the connection. When that dries, this tail won't move at all. It's solid. Man, I can't believe people are watching. We're trying live paper mache today. Pikachu. Here we go. Wait till I get a layer of paint on this thing. That's when it all comes together. When we're mixing this up, I'll show you again how simple it is to work with paper mache and how cheap it is, because it's just paper, flour, water. I used unbleached because Pikachu's picky. Tiny bit in there. Take your water. That was too much. I was trying to be theatrical. Just mix by hand because you're going to get dirty anyways. It smells so good. It smells like baking bread almost. And some people add glue to their paper mache, but I've never done that. If you know anything about paper mache, throw that in the comments. Maybe you can give me a few tips. I need a bigger table next time, so don't look down there. Just don't pay attention to that. Nothing to see here. Don't pay attention to how messy things look, because you start out messy and work your way up to really fine, nice looking, clean look to it. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one. Please share, like, subscribe, whatever you gotta do to boost this small channel. We want to make it gigantic. And only you can bring us to that point. We'll see you on the next one.